Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change your country on the Nike Store app allocation. So, how do you change your country on the Nike Store app allocation? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Nike Store app. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap the Settings menu. A menu like this will appear. Next, tap the Country or Region menu. Here, you will see many country options. Here, you can select your desired country. A menu like this will appear. And tap OK. You have now completed changing your country on the Nike Store app allocation. So, that's it, the tutorial on how to change your country on the Nike Store app. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.